So the next tool we're going to look at is the eraser tool. There's not much to it, but it is pretty great for getting rid of lines. So here's how that would work. If you have your rectangle right here, you got your eraser selected. Just go ahead and left click, and you can even just drag over it, and you can delete that line. You can just click the line if you wanted to. Drag is great. And that's how that works for getting rid of lines in your drawing. Now you can't just delete a face with your eraser, it's only lines. So if you wanted to delete a face, you need to select your face and then hit the delete button. So that's how that works. Now there is a way to hide lines in SketchUp, and how you can do that is using your eraser tool, which the keyboard shortcut is E for eraser. If you hold the shift button, you see that it gives you this little, I don't really know what that is, but some kind of little icon in front of your eraser there. You're holding that shift button, and you just go ahead and move past your line by holding the left button. You can actually hide your lines. Now the lines are still there, so if we selected these faces, it's still there, but it's just hidden in your geometry. So that can be helpful for, sometimes when you're doing roofs, they don't always come out the way you want it. And you may have like an extra line, drawn out that you just don't want to see. Using that eraser tool will help with that. So very powerful, and something I definitely use all the time.